Last time we were here, we had a blast, and I really love this town, and I really like the crowds here. I think tonight's going to be a lot of fun.